Hi, it's Audrey from InSpace, and I'd like to talk about how to use a timer with InSpace. There are lots of ways to do this, but one of the most basic is to use our YouTube integration. What you're going to want to do is search for a timer on YouTube, for example, 5-minute timer, a video that fits your needs, copy and paste the link to that video, and then bring it back to our YouTube integration. Copy and paste that link into the box here, and then click Present. When you do that, you'll be automatically placed into the presentation room. That's the default setting when we share a YouTube video. But you can move this around the space and set up the space differently to accommodate your needs. So you can see that I can remove the presentation room altogether. I can move us into the discussion room. When I was teaching, this is what I used this the most. I would use this in combination with breakout rooms. I'd have students working in all different kinds of breakout rooms on different types of collaborative tasks. And then I liked to use a timer up at the front of the room to keep them on track with their time management. You'll notice that since I was not inside of a breakout room when I presented my timer for the first time, as I change my space setups, it stays pinned to the front of my classroom. If I were to start presenting a timer while I am inside of a room, it will be pinned to the inside of that room. So you can also use that option as well. And this is true of anything that you present in our space. Where you are located when you start sharing it is where it will be shared. Notice as well that when I change my space setup, the timer from that 10 room setup disappears, but the timer that is displayed in the front of the room stays pinned. So just some things to notice as you are using timers with InSpace. Now, you can also use them in different ways as well. We have Miro integrations and Google Drive integrations. So you can drop timers onto Miro and onto Google Slides and use those in your spaces as well.